Right, another past examination paper question. So this was taken from Edexcel. It's a core mathematics C1 question from the year June 2009, and this was question 1 of that paper. So simplify part A, 3 root 7 squared. So let me attempt that formula over here. So we have 3 root 7 squared. So 3 root 7 squared, we can write that as 3 root 7 multiplied by another 3 root 7, and 3 into 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, root 7 times root 7 is 7. So remember the idea that if you multiply root of an a by root of an a, so that is the same as saying root of an a squared, and root of an a squared is simply a. So using the same idea, root 2 times root 2 is 2, root 3 times root 3 is 3, and as for this example, root 7 times root 7, that being 7. So if we go one step beyond, 9 into 7, 63. So that should be the answer to part A. Let's have a look at part B. So part B of question number 1. So we need to multiply 8 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. So let me copy that down. 2 minus root 5. So let's multiply these brackets. So firstly, 8 times 2, that being 16. 8 into minus root 5, that is a minus 8 root 5. Root 5 times 2, so that being plus 2 root 5, and plus root 5 times minus root 5. So firstly, plus into minus is minus, and root 5 times root 5, using the same idea over here, that is 5. So let me add the like terms. 16 minus 5, so 16 minus 5 is 11. And minus 8 root 5 plus 2 root 5, that is minus 6 root 5. So that should be the answer to part B. Right, now for question number 2. Given that 32 root 2 is equal to 2 to the power of a, find the value of a. So let's attempt question number 2. So in this case, let me scroll down. Here's question number 2. Let me copy down the question. So 32 root 2, so 32 root 2, so that is equal to 2 to the power a, and we need to work out the value of a. So the idea here being we need to make the base terms the same on both sides. So I've got a base of 2 on the right, I have a base of 2 here, but we can write 32 as a base of 2. So let's try and do that. So if I do a side calculation over here, 32 is the same as 2 to the power 5. Okay, as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 32. So you can try it out. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2, 32. And whenever you have a root, so root is the same as the term to the power half. So if we put these two together, we have 32, which is 2 to the power 5, and root of 2, that is the same as 2 to the half, and that is equal to the 2 to the power of a on the right hand side. Now if I scroll a little bit down, now in indices, if we multiply two terms having the same base, we simply add the powers. So over here I have two terms of the same base, so in this case the base is 2. So let me just mention that the bases are indeed the same as far as the left hand side is concerned, so we can add the powers to give us 2 to the power 5 plus 2, so 5 plus 2 is 11 over 2, okay, and that is equal to the 2 to the a on the right hand side. And At this very stage, since I have a base of 2 on both sides, we can equate the powers. So I have a base of 2 on the left hand side, I have a base of 2 on the right hand side, we can equate the powers. So what does that mean? That means that A is equal to 11 over 2. Okay, so that should conclude question number 2. So with regards to this step that I've explained, we can only do this if the base terms are the same on both sides. So just to repeat, if the base terms are the same on both sides, you can simply equate the powers. So that completes question number 2. So not only that completes question number 2, so we've completed questions number 1 and 2 in its entirety. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did enjoy and like the video, be sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.